Let us gather up Chapter 3. Include is textual insertion of a header, and a header supplies declarations, the promises. The linker supplies the implementations. Int main void is the entry point, and it returns 0 for success to whoever started your program. Compilation is 4 stages: preprocess, compile, assemble, and link, and -E, -S, and -C let you stop after each one and look at what came out. Undefined reference is a linker error, which means the fault is a missing library or a missing source file rather than anything in the code the compiler read. A missing semicolon is reported on the line after the mistake, so when a syntax error makes no sense, look up one line and compile with -W all and -W extra and treat what they tell you as errors, because in C a warning very often is 1. 6 exercises. 1. Modify hello.c to print your name on one line and your favorite programming language on the next, using a single call to printf. One call, 2 lines of output, which means you need one \n in the middle as well as one at the end. 2. Run gcc with -E, then -S, then -C on your own program, and actually open each output file and look at it. In the assembly, find your string literal. It takes 2 minutes and it makes the pipeline real in a way that no diagram, including mine, quite manages. 3. Introduce 4 errors, one at a time, and write down the exact message each one produces: a missing semicolon, a misspelled printf, a missing include, and a missing closing brace. Keep that list. Recognizing a message on site is most of the skill, and the missing brace in particular will produce something spectacular. 4. Write a program that works out how many hours, minutes, and seconds there are in 100,000 seconds, using divide and remainder. The answer you are aiming for is 27 hours, 46 minutes, and 40 seconds, and the interesting part is the order you do the operations in. 5. Explain, in your own words, why in bracket 7 divided by 2 gives 3.0, but bracket 7 divided by 2 gives 3.5. If you can explain that to somebody else, you have understood casts, and you will avoid a whole category of quietly wrong arithmetic. 6. Run nm on an object file that calls square root. Which letter appears next to square root, and what does it mean? You know this one already. It is the letter that explains undefined reference. That is Chapter 3 complete. You have written a program, taken the compiler apart stage by stage, and learned to read what it tells you when things go wrong. Next, Chapter 4 dissects the anatomy of a C program in full: translation units, declarations versus definitions, scope, linkage, and lifetime.